Looking for unbeatable sound on the water? The best waterproof speaker for boat adventures delivers powerful bass, long battery life, and rugged durability, ensuring your music never stops, even at sea. Number 1. Soundcore Waterproof Speaker. Experience superior sound quality with the Soundcore Waterproof Speaker, designed to deliver an exceptional listening experience. Equipped with an 80W max booming bass, this speaker features a racetrack subwoofer that enhances depth and clarity in every beat. With Bass Up 2.0 technology, you can fine-tune the bass EQ and elevate the power from 60W to an astonishing 80W max output, ensuring a rich and immersive sound. The 2.1 stereo clarity is achieved through a powerful 50W racetrack subwoofer paired with dual 15W tweeters, offering crisp highs and deep bass. Smart crossover technology ensures a balanced audio performance, making it perfect for any music lover. Designed for all-day use, this speaker boasts an impressive 24-hour battery life, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted tunes. It also doubles as a power bank, ensuring your devices remain charged wherever you go. Its IPX7 waterproof and floatable design makes it ideal for outdoor adventures, whether at the beach, pool, or during unexpected rainfall. For an even more personalized experience, the customizable Pro EQ allows you to tailor the sound to match your mood or song preference. Take any party to the next level with Partycast 2.0, which enables you to connect up to 100+ speakers for an amplified audio experience. Whether you're hosting a backyard bash or enjoying a solo listening session, the Soundcore Waterproof Speaker is the perfect companion for any occasion. Number 2. Ancoon Waterproof Speaker. The Ancoon Waterproof Speaker is a powerful, durable, and visually appealing audio device that offers a remarkable listening experience. Built with IPX6 waterproof technology, this rugged speaker is designed to withstand harsh environments, making it perfect for garage work, pool parties, construction sites, and gym workouts. Its durable construction ensures that it remains resilient against shocks and impacts. One of its standout features is the built-in 10,000 mAh battery, which eliminates the need for additional batteries and provides long-lasting power. While it does not include an AM/FM function, its impressive playtime more than compensates for this limitation. A truly immersive experience is enhanced with 6 dynamic light switching modes, transforming any setting into a lively party atmosphere. Whether you enjoy hard rock or punk music, this speaker's deep bass technology delivers crisp and powerful sound, making every track sound energetic and vibrant. The 80W peak power, combined with 2 reinforced speaker magnets and diaphragms, ensures high-fidelity audio that cuts through background noise. Additionally, its TWS stereo surround feature allows you to pair 2 speakers together for an enhanced, spatial sound experience, perfect for large gatherings. Bluetooth 5.3 technology provides a seamless and stable connection to various devices. With a massive battery capacity supporting over 20 hours of continuous playtime, you can enjoy your favorite music without worrying about frequent charging. Whether it's a gift for a loved one or a must-have addition to your audio setup, the Ancoon Waterproof Speaker is a reliable and versatile choice. Number 3. Houl Zallee Waterproof Speaker. The Houl Zallee Waterproof Speaker is a dynamic audio device designed for music lovers who demand premium sound quality. Featuring for dedicated drivers, including 2 15W full-range drivers and 2 5W tweeters, this speaker delivers an impressive 40W surround sound with a peak output of 60W. The addition of dual passive radiators ensures deep bass, well-balanced mid-range, and clear treble, providing an unmatched listening experience. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, this speaker boasts an epic 32-hour battery life on a single charge, ensuring non-stop entertainment whether you're at home, in the garage, or out on an adventure. The built-in rechargeable battery also doubles as a power bank, allowing you to charge other devices while on the go. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, this speaker is built to withstand full submersion in water up to 3.3 feet for 30 minutes, making it perfect for pool parties, beach outings, and boating trips. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 and EDR technology, it offers a seamless and stable connection for uninterrupted music streaming. The rugged construction, made from ultra-durable ABS and metal, enhances its durability, making it impact-resistant and ideal for outdoor activities. Its built-in handle ensures easy portability, making it the perfect companion for hiking, camping, and road trips. Whether used for tailgate parties, backyard gatherings, or personal relaxation, the Houl Zallee waterproof speaker is an excellent choice for those seeking reliability, durability, and exceptional audio performance. Number 4. Bose Waterproof Speaker. The Bose waterproof speaker combines state-of-the-art design with high-quality audio performance to deliver an immersive listening experience. The SoundLink Flex outdoor speaker is engineered with exclusive Bose technologies and a custom transducer, ensuring deep, clear, and lifelike sound. Its proprietary Position Q technology automatically detects the speaker's orientation, optimizing sound quality in any position or environment. Meeting the rigorous IP67 waterproof standard, this speaker is built to withstand dust, debris, and even full submersion in water. Its floating capability makes it a perfect companion for poolside relaxation, beach outings, and boat trips. The portable and compact design ensures easy storage and handling, while its corrosion and UV-resistant construction makes it ideal for extended outdoor use. Charging via a USB-C cable, the lithium-ion battery provides up to 12 hours of playtime per charge, keeping your music going without frequent recharging. The built-in microphone allows you to take calls hands-free, providing added convenience. With just a single button press, you can activate voice assistants such as Siri or Google Assistant for easy control. Whether you're traveling, working out, or hosting an outdoor gathering, the Bose waterproof speaker is an excellent investment for those who appreciate high-quality sound and durable construction. Number 5. WkING Waterproof Speaker. The WkING waterproof speaker is a powerhouse of sound, delivering an incredible 90 W peak output with 50 W HD sound and punchy bass. Featuring two 25W subwoofers and double passive bass radiators, this speaker produces deep, booming bass that enhances any music genre. Its two 5W advanced tweeters ensure crisp highs and balanced mids, providing an immersive stereo experience with minimal distortion. A massive rechargeable battery provides up to 40 hours of playback time and can also function as a power bank to charge other devices. The equalizer button allows you to customize your sound preferences, adjusting for indoor and outdoor settings. A built-in microphone adds convenience, allowing for hands-free calls and temporary conference calls. Whether you need a speaker for job sites, the gym, or special occasions like New Year's Eve and Christmas parties, the WkING waterproof speaker is a reliable and versatile option. Its combination of high power, durability, and long-lasting battery life makes it an ideal choice for those who want a high-performance speaker for any setting. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.